Along the coasts of Latin America, a genuine blue revolution is taking place: the cultivation of seaweed. Seaweeds are large algae visible to the naked eye that typically grow in the ocean attached to rocks or along coastal areas. Between 2013 and 2023, seaweed farming expanded by 66%, reaching a production of over 22,000 tons, according to data from the FAO Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations. Chile, Venezuela, and Brazil are at the forefront of this remarkable growth. Seaweeds are sustainable, nutritious foods rich in proteins and minerals. They help combat malnutrition and create employment opportunities, especially for women and young people. Beyond food, seaweed supports the cosmetics industry, strengthens the bioeconomy, and contributes to the ecosystem restoration by purifying water and capturing carbon. Guided by the FAO guidelines for sustainable aquaculture, countries across the region are embracing a path towards inclusive, low-carbon growth. The potential lies beneath the waves. With continued research, cooperation, and investment, seaweed farming can become a powerful engine for sustainable development. The blue transformation has already begun. Let's keep sailing towards that future.